I animated this scene in just a few minutes, and the best part? I didn't even use After Effects. Instead, I used a simpler, more intuitive tool that makes animation quick and easy. Let me walk you through exactly how I did it. Step 1. Visit phase.com. Phase is an animation tool that allows you to create motion graphics without the complexity of traditional software like After Effects. It's designed for designers and creatives who want to animate their illustrations effortlessly. Step 2. Create your design in Figma. If you're starting from scratch, design your illustration in Figma, a popular UI, UX, and vector design tool. Make sure your design is properly layered and organized, as this will make animation easier later on. Step 3. Run the Phase plugin. Once your design is ready, install and run the Phase plugin in Figma. This plugin allows you to export your design directly into Phase without needing to convert it into a different format manually. Phase supports various file types, including images, SVGs, Lottie files, and even full Figma projects, ensuring that your original design remains intact. Step 4. Import your illustration into Phase. After running the plugin, your illustration will be automatically imported into the Phase interface. This is where you'll animate your design. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to get started without dealing with complicated settings. Step 5. Start animating. Click on the animation button to access the motion tools. Phase provides multiple animation features such as trim paths, animate strokes and outlines with precision, presets. Use pre-built animation styles to speed up your workflow. Animate mode. A simplified way to add movement with minimal effort. Instead of dealing with complicated timelines or coding, you can create animations using simple keyframes. Just set a starting point, adjust your object's position, scale, or opacity, and set an endpoint. Phase takes care of the in-between frames automatically. This means you don't have to be a technical expert to achieve smooth animations. Step 6. Export your animation. Once you're satisfied with your animation, you can export it in multiple formats to fit your needs. Whether you need a GIF, MP4, Lottie, or another format, Phase makes it easy to save and share your work. And the best part? It's completely free. Unlike expensive software, Phase doesn't cost anything to use. You can create high-quality animations without paying for a subscription or expensive licenses.